it looks like the bottom half of the beaker has just magically disappeared. Hello scientists, I'm working on a new episode, but I have a really quick science experiment that I couldn't wait to show you. So here it is. So here we have just a glass of water. Now watch what happens when I put the pencil in the water. Do you see how suddenly the pencil looks bent? This is because of something called refraction. So light travels at different speeds depending if it's going through air or if it's going through water. And light travels a little bit slower when it goes through water. So the water slows down the light, and as it slows it down, it bends it a little bit. So by the time the light reaches our eyes again, things look a little bit bent. You can also see this with different mediums. So here I have some oil. We're going to see if it bends the pencil the same way that the water does. So it looks even more bent. It's like starting over here. So that means that the light is traveling even slower through the oil, and that light is bending, and by the time it reaches our eyes, it looks like the object is bending even more. Now we can use the same principle of refraction to make something look like it disappears. Here I have a beaker within another beaker, but watch what happens as I add oil to it. Can you see that? It looks like the bottom half of the beaker has just magically disappeared, but you can still see that it's in there. And this is because the glass inside has the same refractive index as the oil. That means that light is traveling at the same speed through the oil and through the glass inside. So to your eyes, it looks like there's nothing there, when actually there is. I just had to show you this experiment as I'm working on the new episode, so stay tuned and follow for more science.
Jocelyn.